thanks a lot, Machine Maker. You've done a great job in honoring us, in publicizing our efforts to the world, to the country.
Harish Mehta, Executive Chairman, Embross Autocomp Limited. The Manufacturing Maestro of Ludhiana edition was felicitated by Mukinder Singh, Managing Director, Seco Chucks, and Noel Raj, National Sales Manager, Fenwick and Ravi.
Thank you, Mr. Hari. I think it's a great initiative by you, Machine Maker. You've basically glorified the auto component industry. We wanted that, I guess. Of course, I'm the second generation, so I would say the first generation has done even, you have worked even harder than us. And looking at, hearing the stories of all the first generation entrepreneurs, especially in the auto component industry, gives me goosebumps. And I'm very proud to be a part of this industry. And congratulations to everybody who's here, and thank you so much for your time.
Congratulations and best wishes. I'm sure your company will keep growing and make in India and India proud.
Thank Mr. Harish for giving this opportunity to being here, and it is very happy to see you all in Manufacturing Maestros. Typically, because we are the masters of the manufacturers. All the best and keep in touch.